Exactly a year ago, this stock was worth 50 odd rupees. A year later, in December this month, it made a high of 1236 rupees. In the last 12 months, the stock has rallied 10,000%. Those numbers suggest something fishy, and so SEBI on Monday suspended trading in shares of Bharat Global Developers Ltd. This is the latest case in a string of crackdowns on companies manipulating their stock price through accounting frauds and fake disclosures. Bharat Global falsely claimed to have won large orders from corporates such as Reliance Industries Limited, Tata Group, McCain India Agro Private Limited, and UPL Limited. This led to massive rallies in the stock, with the stock cumulatively gaining more than 10,000% in last 12 months. The Gujarat-headquartered Bharat Developers Ltd had made multiple announcements related to foraying into market-fancied sectors like defense, aerospace, and agrotechnology, and then followed up with a series of disclosures to stock exchanges about high-value orders from marquee corporates. An email to an address on the company's website by Bloomberg News seeking comment on the SEBI's allegations remain unanswered. This case, as several others in the past, underlined the dark side of India's stock market boom that has seen its equity benchmarks treble in value since the pandemic, amid small investors rushing in impressed by massive returns. This case has come to light just a week after SEBI tightened rules related to listing of tiny companies, a segment prone to pricing manipulation and frauds. Earlier, the regulator cancelled the initial public offering of Traffic Soul ITS Technologies after a probe revealed a key vendor of the company to be a shell entity. Meanwhile, the BSE on Monday deferred the bidding for Solar 91 Cleantech Limited's initial public offering, pending further examination of certain queries raised by complaints and media. Bharat Global had allotted about 100 million shares to 41 investors through preferential share offerings in April and August at significant discount to market price as per the SEBI order. SEBI has alleged that the disclosure of the orders from October by company were false and misleading and were timed to benefit investors of the share offerings. The regulator also found that following such disclosures, 13 of the 41 investors in the preferential share offering offloaded their holdings for 2.7 billion rupees after the lock-in period ended on October 31st. After this, the number of public share owners rose fourfold to over 40,000, indicating that many unsuspecting investors bought the stock. Bharat Global reported negligible revenues and profits prior to fiscal year ending March 2024 and had its shares suspended for trading until November 2023 over non-payment of listing fee to the BSE. SEBI has consequently barred several investors in the preferential offerings from accessing the capital markets while also impounding the unlawful gains made by the investors.